So this will be my first video regarding economics. I will explaining some of the important topics of economics. If you are in school or first semester of colleges, then it will be very useful for macroeconomics. Okay. So first, one of the most important thing in macroeconomics, very basic and important thing, which is equilibrium. See, now what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a very easy topic, I would say, but basic, but a very important thing. I mean, it's interrelated in various chapters. Okay, so what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a state in which the supply and demand for a given good or services are in balance. So equilibrium, what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a state in which supply and demand is pretty much is same, okay, in a market. In a easy word I am saying, in equilibrium is in a market, we can say the market is in equilibrium where demand is equal to S. When it means demand equals to supply, S means supply. Okay, so this is the pretty much the condition for equilibrium. Now it is theoretical definition of what is equilibrium, but the most important thing in economics, if you are a student of economics, you will know that the graphical representation. Okay, so graphical representation quite easy. So first start with this. I'm drawing in a rough, I'm drawing roughly. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So in this way, here will be a quantity, price. Okay, and the diagram will be, first you know the demand curve will be like this, supply curve will be like this. Okay, S means supply and this means demand. So equilibrium, and here first I will draw the diagram, then I will explain it. Okay. Okay, this will be P star and this will be, I can say, Q star. So here it is pretty much the whole diagram. So here P star is equilibrium price. Okay, equilibrium price. And what is Q star? Equilibrium quantity. Okay, and this one is E, means equilibrium point. Okay, basically this is this equilibrium. What is this equilibrium point? Basically this is the point when the supply will be equal to demand. That's why they are intersecting each other. Okay, means when demand is equal to supply, in that place only the supply will intersect the demand, the supply curve will intersect the demand curve. Okay, and this is the equilibrium price and this is the equilibrium quantity. Okay, and another concept regarding this equilibrium, very easy thing, that when the S supply is more, we will face the market will face surplus of goods, and if in a market the demand is more, they will face shortage. Okay, so surplus and shortage, what is this? I've already said that when the supply is more but the demand is less, that market will face surplus. And if in a market, I mean, if a market have more demand and less supply, they will face a situation known as shortage. Okay, surplus means, for example, the supply of a of mobile. Okay, for example, I'm just giving a random example. For example, the supply of a particular brand of mobile is very much, but the demand is very low. Okay, so what will happen in that market? There will be very much unsold stock of that product. So in that situation is surplus, and when and this situation, I mean shortage, this is of course the name only is very familiar to you. When the demand is more but supply is less, I mean for example, potato. Okay, potato. So the demand for potato is very much. Okay, it is a daily use. If you say, I mean in cooking is very important thing. Okay, potato. So demand is very much, but the supply is unchanged or low. Then that I mean the demand is very much, but the supply is very low. In that situation they will face shortage. The situation which they will face, it is called shortage. I mean the product they are, the service or product they are they are demanding is very less in quantity in the market, so they will face shortage. Okay, this is some basic concepts. After the this is my first video, so after this I will explain you demand, law of demand, law of supply. They are also some of the basic concepts and very important concepts for the microeconomics. Okay, so if you like this video, please give this video a like, and if you want to continue or want to see my more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Okay,